Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are sewing the high-waisted thong and I will show you how to finish them using a Picot elastic. Picot elastic is very commonly used in lingerie sewing because it creates a delicate and very professional looking edge. I will guide you step by step through the whole process. If you love lingerie sewing, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and techniques. Now let's jump right in. Before we start cutting the fabric, there is one important thing to mention. If you plan to finish your thong with Picot elastic, another decorative elastic, or if you want to fold and cover the edges, you need to add the seam allowance to the waist and the leg openings. So I am adding 6 mm here to the leg openings. And then 6 mm to the waistline. Oh, it's actually the blue one right here, so we can just leave it as it is. Don't forget to add the seam allowance also to the crotch piece. Again, it's 6 mm. Okay, now we can cut the pattern pieces out from the paper. No worries, it's my paper rotary cutter. This one is for fabrics. Now take your materials. For this style you will need 100 by 40 centimeters of your main fabric. I'm using cotton jersey as almost always because I just love the softness. Then a small piece of the lining fabric. I am using cotton jersey as well. It's for the crotch piece. And then 2 or 2.2 meters of Picot elastic or decorative elastic. Fold your fabric. Then place your pattern pieces on the fold and cut one front and one back pieces. Then take your lining fabric and cut one crotch piece. Now place your front piece right side up. Then take your back piece and put it right side down on it. So they are facing the right sides. And pin and baste the crotch seam. Now take your lining crotch piece and place it right side down. So it's facing the wrong side of your back piece. And pin or baste the crotch seam. And sew the seam using a serger or a zigzag stitch. At this point we can also finish the longer edge of the crotch piece. You can use serger or a zigzag stitch. Now take your decorative or Picot elastic and we can move to regular sewing machine. Pin or baste the crotch piece in a place. Set your machine to zigzag or 3-step zigzag stitch and finish both leg openings with your Picot or decorative elastic. Place it right side facing the right side of your leg openings. Try to sew as close to the decorative edges as you can. You can lightly stretch the elastic as you sew and finish both leg openings. let's do also the second leg. Now we can remove the pins or basting stitches, then trim the seam allowance, then fold the elastic to the wrong side and stitch both leg openings again. Then place your panties right sides together and pin and sew one side seam. Take your Picot elastic and finish the waistline the same way we finished the leg openings. You can gently stretch the elastic while sewing. Then fold the elastic to the wrong side and stitch the waistline again. Then pin and sew the second side seam. And backstitch both side seams with the straight stitch. At this point you can also stitch the seam allowance to the back. And our Leah thong finished with Picot elastic are done and ready to wear.